Welcome back to my channel. As you could tell by the title of today's video, I will be unboxing from Louis Vuitton a limited edition piece from their holiday collection where Vivian travels the world. I'm super excited about this piece because it has some sentimental value as well. So if you'd like to see what I picked up from the Louis Vuitton Holiday 2021 collection, just keep watching. Before we get into today's video, as always, please make sure you're hitting that subscribe button down below, becoming part of the family. So every time I upload an unboxing, any type of video, you get a little notification and you can stop on by and see it. It means a lot to me. So please make sure before the end of this video, you are clicking that red subscribe button as well as giving this video a thumbs up. I know you're gonna love it. But without further ado, it's been a minute. I haven't unboxed anything here on my channel in quite some time. I've been in mommy mode, so let's get right into today's unboxing. So if you are unfamiliar with Louis Vuitton's mascot, they actually have a mascot and it is a little character by the name of Vivian. I will throw up a picture of Vivian right here. Vivian goes and visits a ton of different places. Every year, Louis Vuitton releases these limited edition items where they have people handcraft Vivian going to visit a bunch of different places, and that basically becomes their limited edition collection. They have a ton of small goods. They don't really do purses in the holiday collection, the Christmas collection with Vivian the mascot. They do have things like the little pochettes, the keychains, coin purses, wallets, etc. But none of the big items at Louis Vuitton will you see with Vivian on it, at least not yet. That's definitely something they can do in the future. This year, Vivian visited the Great Wall of China, Hollywood, London, and a Japanese garden. I was lucky enough to get my hands on one of the pieces. I got a wallet of Vivian in the garden. There's actually a super cute backstory to what made me get this wallet. While I was pregnant, I would go to the Louis Vuitton store, talk to my SA, and at one point she asked me what was the theme of my baby shower, and I told her cherry blossoms. She was like, why cherry blossoms? And I was like, well, my daughter's middle name is going to be Sakura after my husband's mother's middle name, which was Sakura as well. If you don't know, Sakura in Japanese means cherry blossom. So that was probably like at the end of spring. So towards the end of summer, beginning of fall, she gave me a call and was like, you have to see this item. Like, you have to see this new collection that came in. It has cherry blossoms on it. You're gonna love it. So in store, I went to the Riverside Square store here in Hackensack, New Jersey. In store, she only had a wallet and a coin purse. So I chose to go with the wallet because I thought that would just be more use for me. I don't really get a lot of use out of coin purses, but I was super excited and I thought that was so special of her to have thought of me. That's one thing I will say about Louis Vuitton SAs. They are so thoughtful. If you have a good SA, I'm sorry, but all of my SAs are great, but they do think of you. And if they know you like a certain piece or they know you like a certain something and that something comes out, they definitely will hit you up and let you know that they have that item. So I really appreciate my SA who's no longer at Louis Vuitton, but she hit me up right away and she sent me the pictures and I was like, I have to have it. I absolutely have to have it. As always, we will get into close-ups of the wallet itself, but this is how it came packaged. I actually haven't opened it since I purchased it. And I did get the Victorian style wallet and it looks like this. So as you can see, Vivian the mascot, and she's in a Japanese garden with Japanese cherry blossoms. So this was like something that I absolutely needed, especially because I was able to get it the same year that my daughter was born. That's my dog in the background. So I was able to get it the same year my daughter was born. I actually got it right before she was born. So it means so much to me. I love that the inside is this beautiful, pretty pink color. I don't usually go for trifold wallets, but this was too cute to pass up, especially because it had a special meaning to me to it, because it does have cherry blossoms on it. So this is one of those pieces that I probably won't use that often, if at all. This is one of those pieces that I will put up just because it's special. It has a special meaning to me, and I definitely look forward to passing this down to my daughter. Like I said, the inside color is absolutely beautiful. And as always, we will get into the details up close, but the actual picture is so cute too. So as you can see, Vivian is in a Japanese garden. She has a little monogram duffel, cherry blossoms. She has a cat there with her. So I thought this was absolutely so cute, the actual picture, besides just the cherry blossoms. As I mentioned, the wallet is a trifold wallet. So it opens up like this. You have the Louis Vuitton print right there, some card slots here. It does have a zipper for your coins on this little panel, and your cash would go in there. There's 2 pockets behind your card flaps, but absolutely super cute, folds up like that. I love it. I believe this wallet retailed for somewhere between high 800s and high 900s. I'm not exactly sure. I will put it in the description box. I will check my receipt. I'm not sure. Usually I keep my price tags in the little dust bag. So this is a limited edition piece that I was absolutely thrilled I was able to pick up, especially because the sentimental values of the cherry blossoms on it, but just it's super cute, and I don't have anything from the Vivian holiday collection at Louis Vuitton. So I think that's going to be my new thing, to like kind of collect a piece every year, just because it's something cool to have and collect. Every single year it's new illustrations, and she goes different places. This is the Japanese garden version. Super cute. I absolutely love it. It's no longer available at Louis themselves, but I'm sure you can pick up a pre-loved version of it on Tradesy or Rebag or even StockX. I think that about wraps up this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of my Louis Vuitton Victorine limited edition wallet with Vivian in the Japanese garden. If you did, please make sure you're leaving a comment down below, as well as hitting that thumbs up button before you leave. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.
If you got it, it ain't a